Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to turn off the annoying green triangles error indicator in Microsoft Excel. This instantly clears those ugly green corners out of your tracking sheets, keeping your spreadsheets looking clean when you are intentionally using specific formula rules or text formatted numbers. First, open Microsoft Excel, look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Formulas tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Scroll down to the middle of the panel until you reach the section explicitly headed Error Checking. Locate the specific setting checkbox explicitly labeled Enable Background Error Checking. Click the tracking box to uncheck it and completely kill the real-time background error scanning engine. Alternatively, if you want to keep the scan active but make it less annoying, leave it checked and click the error indicator color drop-down right below it to choose a subtle color like light gray instead of green. Drop down to the bottom of the main options window and click the OK button to lock your new layout rules into the system core. And that's it. Your clean, warning-free spreadsheet tracking grid layout is now completely optimized and operational. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.